Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. I bought a new glass cabinet for my figures. So the previous one it is the basic IKEA D12, but I'm kind of at some point break because it is used. I bought it second-hand. I actually didn't buy it, I got it for free. So I was lucky, but I'm moving my figures to their new home. So today we will be assembling the new home. So yes, let's get started. As you can see, it is pretty messy here. I have here how to assemble the glass cabinet. So let's just start. I go YOLO, and if I can't do this, I'm gonna ask my mom or dad to help me later. But here's the number one, what we need to do. So we start from here. Great. I have some screws here in the bag. So yeah, I need to get these ones for the first portion. So I will do my best and try to search for these. So yeah, short update. I fucked it up like 3 times and we had to take it apart with my dad, and also I was not able to do it by myself. So as you can see from the previous footage, my dad came to help me with this, because it is kind of tough to put together. We still have some parts here that are not completed, and then we have the glass doors laying on my bed. So yeah, let's go. And yeah, you can't do anything without Minnie, so Minnie is inspecting the work on the side. She's always just watching, and my mom is like, "Ooh." Dad is doing work and Minnie is inspecting. We also put the legs there wrong like 3 times, so fun. Figures are homeless at the moment. They're homeless. They're waiting for a new home. Sad figures. One of the best parts of this display cabinet is that it has legs, so you can easily remove the dust under. Because I'm a clean freak, I need to have a clean environment, so I love that. And then this situation here stores my bags, so yeah, we have bag storage going on there. I didn't have place for my bags, so I love this cabinet. So yeah, here's a short tour of my figures. Here's Itaki Otoya figure from Alter. Then we have the lovely Kasane Tetsu figure. Miko. And then we have Asuna. Down here we have the White Queen that I showed on my channel previously. Then we have Kansaki Ranko. Hijirigawa Masato by Alter. The Ranka is also by Alter. And then we have Ichinose Tokia by Alter. I like Utano Prince-sama, so I have my favorite boys as a figure. But yeah, here is the figure portion. Then I have some other trinkets here and there. And lights. I only have lights on the upper shelf at the moment, but I am planning to get more for the other shelves. And yeah, on the background there is a fan that I made by myself. Yay! And on the really most bottom shelf there is just the Hanaira Goromo Miko backdrop thingy that you get from the box. I used to have my other DIY figures there, but I moved them to other places. But yeah, here is the figure display thingy for now. It's pretty! Yay! And if you have wondered where my last two figures are, they are located to the upper shelf here. I have Pretty Princess, Ram, and Sakura Rem. I'm not quite sure what the name is, but these are two prize figures that I keep on the top shelf in open air. So yeah, I'm not too scared of them getting dusty. So yeah, I'm gonna do a whole room tour at some point, but now you get to see my figures shortly. I didn't really introduce them, but like a short teeny tiny sneak peek to my collection.